This is an extremely important question. You need to understand this. There will be stories on your SAT, and almost always there will be stories about lines. So you have to be able to turn the story into a linear equation or look at a linear equation, understand how it matches with a story. And so choice A is the thing to memorize. M, the slope, is going to be the rate of change, the rate of growth, the rate of decrease, whatever it may be. It's the rate of whatever's going on, okay? B is the starting point, your first value. And the reason that it's the starting point is if we think about most stories, we're going to kind of stick to that first quadrant of our XY plane, right? So we don't usually have negative values in our story. It just doesn't happen. It could, but it's unlikely. And so when we plot our graph, we're usually going to start with the y-intercept as our 0 point, right? So x is 0, t is 0, whatever is 0 at that spot. So that becomes our first value, and then the slope is the rate of growth or decrease depending on the story. But if you remember those two components, no matter what the story is, you can kind of take the story away and be left with the linear equation or the linear concepts that you need for understanding the story, okay? Starting points, initial values, those are going to be your y-intercept. Rates, changes, increases, decreases, those are your slope, your m. Be okay with this. This will come up. You need it for some points. So make sure you are comfortable with lines and linear equations and the language surrounding them.